Okay, this is how to fill. And I have this coin mechanism, okay? And I'm gonna hit the service button, which I have the service button. I'm gonna go on this side until it says fill. Motors, CPO, fill, okay? Now I'm gonna take my coin, here's my coin, and I'm gonna put it in. It says 60, there's 5 cents, 67 nickels, or 5 cents, okay? I'm gonna put my quarter in. Here's my quarter. 65 quarters. Put my dime. There's 98 dimes, okay? You can just keep doing that. And that's it. That's all you got to do. And then you go to the service button. So I'm going to go to the service button. I'm going to scroll through.